Hi everyone, I'm Sakshi, HR Executive at Cogentix Systems. In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how to participate in the PDQ Part-2 Quiz. Let's begin. First, you'll receive a confirmation email from our HR team. This email confirms your participation in PDQ Part-2 and includes your official invitation link. Please check both your inbox and spam folder to ensure you don't miss it. Once you receive the confirmation email, please reply to the same email and write, "I am accepting the invitation for the PDQ Part-2 quiz." This helps us confirm your participation officially. On the quiz day, open the same invitation email you received earlier. Click on the quiz link to join the session. Make sure you're seated in a quiet environment and have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Once you join, you'll be greeted by our 2 HR team members who will ask you a few quiz-related questions. Stay calm, confident, and attentive while responding. During the quiz, you don't need to speak. Simply type and send your answers in the chat box. The first 3 candidates to submit accurate and timely answers will qualify as top performers. The top 3 candidates will be declared as winners and will receive exciting prizes from our HR team. That's it. I hope this video helps you understand how to participate in the PDQ Part-2 quiz. All the best. We look forward to seeing your amazing performance.